let's do a cold start, shall we? It's been pretty cold the last couple days, so I'm gonna let her run for a little bit. And shout out to Savannah for cleaning my truck. And the wheels look brand new. Yes. Okay, so I got a box and it has something to do with this. Wow. Savannah and Gabe are here because it's gonna take 3 people to no, it's not. Not for you. Oh my gosh! I wonder what it is. It says friends and family can, yeah, use the code, I guess. Cool.
Yeah, I'm a friend.
Wow, a box. Oh, that's it. That's all.
I didn't even know they were recon. Nice. That was really good.
Always use safety. What's yeah?
Always use safety.
Beautiful. Cab lights and ouch. They're black or smoked, whatever you want. Call them gray. Technically gray.
Wow, those look really nice.
Yeah.
Fancy.
And then,
The other ones are.
Almost breaks it.
and those bulbs too.
Bombs. I got bombs.
And you got a sticker.
A stick. For what?
Get lit.
Oh boy.
Sticker.
Sticker.
Wanna put that on top of your Lacey sticker?
No.
Why?
Lacey's important.
So put this on the front.
You hear that, Lacey?
I don't know if she watches the video.
Definitely watch the video.
Hey, let's go do that. We should probably do a before and after.
Before? Before? Hi, Piper. What's yeah? Great doing this, Schnitzel? Think, 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 think.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was joking about us needing 3 people to install these. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. It's got to fit into that.
Those look really good.
Literally only 1 bulb works on these, so 1, I needed to do these anyways, and 2, now it'll look better. Savannah's going to town already.
There they are.
I need a knife like that.
Working on truck.
I bought it last year for Caleb and it never
You want to explain what you're doing?
You take out screw. See? Yes, fine.
No, we need those.
No, we don't.
Oh, does it come with new screws?
Actually, maybe not.
God dang it, Kaylee. Phillips head screws. Take them out with a Phillips head screwdriver.
Or my pocket knife.
Or a pocket knife with a Phillips head screwdriver. Not everybody as cool as you, Savannah.
I'm sorry for your loss.
This out. It was in here.
Light bulb.
Light bulb.
Stock.
Yes. And then we have
The new ones.
Light.
new ones.
Hold on. New ones.
New ones.
So then you push it right down in.
I'm
So we'll do
scared.
it.
What if I break it?
You're not
Oh.
gonna break it.
I didn't break it.
Is it like gonna be orange?
That's what I was thinking. Is it gonna be ugly?
No, it's not.
I mean, we can always just get new light bulbs. You want to hand me 3 of the light bulbs?
Fun fact, the lights are always the same color. It's just the lenses are different.
Oh.
See the orange? So it looks like an orange light.
Yeah.
You got smoked ones, so it's gonna look like not ugly. I think they're amber, but with the smoke lenses, it looks cool.
This is really easy, guys. Anyone could do it.
Literally anybody.
Just don't.
Gabe
fall
Farrell
off
could
of
do
it.
this.
3 of those.
Don't lose these, because if you lose these, then you gotta go to
Oh,
O'Reilly's and you gotta look stupid asking for these.
Oh, sorry.
And then when you explain
Do you have the screw right through?
why, yes, it's right here.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome. Don't be like Kaylee and throw them across the driveway.
Do they all look fucking broken like that?
No, they're not broken.
I've never seen a screw like this before, okay? Leave me alone.
That's okay. We're learning. So you push the new one right over the top of the... What is that? A rubber grommet? I don't even know what the hell it is. Put it on top of the rubber. It sticks down, and then you use it. Ah! I just got attacked by a piece of plastic.
I can't go in there. These look really nice.
They do. They're not even all on.
How tight do I do it?
Firm. Like, don't over tighten it, because then you'll strip it, but
Get it.
as long as the light's not moving around, you should be good. See, look, they match now. Now you got the side marker lights on the mirrors that don't work because we don't have the plug. We should get those one day. One of these days.
That's something.
On the list.
What?
Did you just unplug the...
What?
Never mind.
The light bulb?
Never mind, that's the old one. Hey, look, a duck.
That'd be pretty cool. I don't even want a horse anymore. I think I want a cow.
What?
Yeah.
You want a cow?
Yeah. You gonna ride it? No. I'm just gonna like...
You can ride cows.
No, I'm just gonna take a nap with it.
Ride the... What?
Yeah.
Ride the cow.
No.
Yes.
And then we, Why is this one... Like, am I stupid? What am I doing wrong here? You push it, like, forward a little bit more.
There you go. Maybe. No, forward a lot.
There we go.
Make sure it's flush in the front. Yeah, there you go.
And then we paint it.
Actually, a really big difference.
See that mushroom guy on TikTok? He's like, good boy. I like him. I think that's on.
It's giving me sad memories. I miss my old
goodness.
truck. My neighbor with the Lamborghini gave me these for my last truck.
Litter.
Remember?
Yeah.
Mike came over. He was like, "Here, you can have these."
With one. Remember?
Oh yeah, yours came with one smoked lens.
They were like old too. Now you can make ornaments.
Can I see that?
Yeah.
Throw them at me.
I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Here are the old ones. They're really ugly and orange and dirty because they've been on a truck since 2005. DOT approved. Garbage.
Anybody
And the
want
new one, $30.
Yeah.
$30. You can have them. Oh, Piper.
Nice.
No, Piper bought them now. They're hers.
Oh.
She says, "I like these."
And now you have these little guys to make ornaments.
Everything has to be ornaments.
Yes.
Our Christmas ornaments never cost us money because we've been saving. They look really good. Don't look
I
at
told
them.
them.
They look really good. Don't look at them. Don't look at them.
Ah! Whee! No? Okay. Piper no longer wants them, so $20. Savannah's starting it. Wow!
Cue the edit.
Cue the edit.
Cue the edit.
Alright, so that is what these new cab lights look like. I got them from Raycon, whatever you want to call them. Cab roof light lenses. Yeah. They're smoked and come with amber bulbs. I've been meaning to do this ever since oh God, how long? It's been over a year since I got my truck, and I have been meaning to put some smoked cab lights on my truck because when I picked it up, I found a single cab light that was smoked in the glove box, and I was like, well, what the heck? They took them off. So yeah, ever since then I've been meaning to, and I finally have them on now. So I hope you guys like them. What is not to like? If you don't like them, shut up. Alright, so obviously I picked these suckers up online. I think it took less than a week or maybe a week to show up. I can't remember. But that's kind of the end of the video. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do with this thing, let me know. I would love to hear it. I have a couple things coming. I thought it was going to show up today and it didn't. But good thing these gave me something to do today. But I have something I'm so excited about it. Super exciting coming. So just stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep weep.